Hi, this is Amrit Palkar once again, and I hope that you all are doing good in your life. Today, I am going to discuss a very special topic which is related to speaking cue card, that is, describe a law on environmental protection. Before starting this particular topic, I would like to tell the new visitors that this is a channel for IELTS aspirants, and you can watch several videos related to different IELTS modules, that is listening, reading, writing and speaking. And yeah, apart from that, I do predictions as well, and so far every prediction has gone true, and I'm so blessed that predictions are going well. So let's start now today's topic, that was describe a law on environmental protection. So if I talk about environment, so this is a cue card which is really very easy, because here you can give background to your topic, like environment plays an integral role in our life, and it should be neat and clean, and we should do our best to save it, to conserve our environment. And there are many different elements which are related to the good green environment. So this is how you can start. And if I talk about particularly law, then you can talk about the law against deforestation. So not only in India but all over the world, if people are caught cutting trees, they are being penalized by the government, they are penalized by the law. So you can talk about this particular law. Because of the increasing global warming, government has decided that trees are really very important, and nobody is allowed to cut trees. And yeah, the trees could only be used if they are broken or somehow they are damaged because of natural calamities, like strong winds or rain or something like that. So you have a lot of material to talk about this particular topic. And apart from that, you can talk about a law which is against creating pollution. So that is also uh, one of the very good laws which are against environmental protection. For example, that's why we take pollution certificates of our cars and other vehicles, and police generally check our pollution certificates, that whether these are valid or not. So yeah, you can talk about this law as well, that if our car or vehicle is creating more pollution, then we are fined heavily. Okay, so this is also a good topic to discuss, but I would suggest you to stick with the former one, because there we have a lot of to talk, that is global warming, carbon footprints and many others. Okay, so I hope that this will help you. And now there is an important announcement, that I'm going to start a writing series as well. So as I have done one video already, in which I have explained different things related to writing and which are very important, and in the coming video I'm going to tell you all about the problem solution essay, that what type of vocabulary you should use, and what type of sentence structure, and I will be focusing on the all marking criteria, that is task response, cohesion and coherence, then lexical resources, and fourth one is grammatical range and accuracy. So I hope that you will find these videos very helping. Okay, so thanks for watching my videos, and thanks for the kind words. All the very best. God bless you all.